If there's one thing about me, I love a good marketplace find. Hoping this baby comes soon. $329 books. Hi, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Shocker, we're about to go to the beach and e-foil. This is how we start our weeks and I'm just so happy about it. I just get to sit on the beach, read my little book, and I think it's gonna be such a nice day. It's a little bit chilly, so I got my jumper on. I'm gonna go get a coffee because we ran out of milk. Yeah, I just thought I'd start the vlog, say hi. Actually, I wanna get you onto this. This is, I don't know how to pronounce it, L'Occitane. It's a moisturizer, but it is the most hydrating hand cream moisturizer, and I've been using it lately and it is just, oh, it smells so good. It's got shea butter and it's not super thick, but it stays on and you know that it's working. Anyway, had to share. Let's go. We've just made it to the beach and normally we're the only ones here, but there's a bit of something going on today. To be fair, there's like 10 people here. It's not that busy. I've just gotten so used to having all these beaches to myself, you know? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I please have a medium mocha? Oh, that's okay. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm filming in the fridge.
What do you need so much paper for? That was like 10 rolls.
No, there was paper in the basket. That's our last stop. We always have 3 upstairs, 1 downstairs. I'm going through a lot right now.
They're restocking pretty early.
I don't know, you don't want to get down to your last toilet paper roll. That's a bit...
I think you've got 2 more weeks using 10 rolls a day.
You will never believe what I just found on Facebook Marketplace. I'm so excited. If there's one thing about me, I love a good marketplace find. These were all stacked really nicely, but we just drove home. Look at all of these books I just got for free. Great condition and all in the back seat too. I'm so excited. It literally goes all the way to the back of my boot. There are hundreds of books here. Not a single dollar paid. Are you kidding me? Not gonna lie though, it was a struggle. She had them all stacked up on the floor and I was bending down, lifting up all of these books, and I am puffed. But I'm gonna wait till Rowan gets home. He's just gone for a walk with the dogs and I'm gonna go head up, have a shower, and then we're gonna unload all these books. And I'm just so excited to see what I got. I'm so excited. It's the next morning and these are all of the books stacked in the room and I am just so excited to go through them. I'm going to pick out a whole bunch that I want to read first. This is literally like Christmas morning. Actually, maybe I'll count them. 329 books. That's so insane. While I'm letting my egg mixture cool, I've just taken the eggshells and I've popped them on a baking tray, and I'm going to pop them in the oven at 120 for about an hour until they really dry out. I have rinsed them so there's no like whites or yolks in them. I also made butter this morning. I think I'm going to use the whites to make mini pavs. Basically just sprinkle these little eggshell crumbs, I guess you'd say, into the soil and it helps it grow. This is the start of my little collection. So much easier. I don't know if I vlogged it, but I essentially, my first time around, I collected the eggshells, I washed them, and then I got like the back of the chopstick and just like crushed them up. But putting them in the oven really dries them out, and this is perfect. And also when I pulled all the shots for the tiramisu earlier, I collected all the coffee grinds. So now Rowan has eggshells and coffee grinds for his garden. How good. But I have been standing for so long today. I am exhausted. But I stood for so long doing the tiramisu, and then I went to help a friend at the post office, which I absolutely love doing, like it's totally fine. But I was just standing for so long, and standing is just really hard. And honestly, doing this for another couple of months does not sound good at all. Hoping this baby comes soon, but equally also hoping we make it to term, because preemie babies have a tendency to have complications. But I am ready. I am ready for you, baby. Look, getting a bit large and in charge, and I'm feeling it. I'm on to my last task of the day, which is prepping dinner, and I had to bring a chair into the kitchen. I was literally just scrolling and I saw someone like cooking with a chair in the kitchen, and I thought it was just me, but it's an actual thing. Like, I cannot stand any longer. Like, I cannot physically stand any longer, which just feels so debilitating, and I have so long to go. And in my head I'm like, am I just lazy? But no, it's like an actual thing. I just feel so silly. Like, what do you mean I've brought Rowan's gaming chair into the kitchen to prep dinner? Anyway. I've got some gorgeous little cookies this morning. This is my little hairdresser tool set. So we have a little bobby pin, straightener, scissors, and hairdryer, and she's chosen the pink and white marble, which is so fun. And she's also got a Mother's Day pack. How cute. Excuse my appearance, I have just been to the beach. It was a little unsuccessful. She was very windy today, but I thought I would bring you into the office, which is kind of like my library right now, and show you all the books. So I've separated them into a bunch of piles. So these stacks of 5 are all the books that I want to keep and I want to read and put them on my library shelf. Maybe I should do a little quick fire because there are a lot of good books in there. And then these piles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are going to be part of my Etsy store, which is like blind date with book. It's going to be very cool. I did this a couple years ago and it worked so well. I just haven't had the books or the chance to do more. So this is just going to be so great for the collection. And then this little pile here is of Clive Cussler and Lee Child. When my dad comes over, he's going to have a look through those. And then this section over here are books that I've deemed like not good enough, I guess. But like there's still, some of them are in good condition. Some of them I'm throwing out because they've just got stuff spilt on them and just not really the vibe. But the ones that are in good condition, I'm going to turn into like scrapbooking, like decor and little bits and pieces of like old book pages and like paper confetti, and I'm just so excited. Now I know that this is not the most aesthetic space for this. I've got my cookie stuff in the background, all the extra baby things that we still need to put together. It's just It's a bit of a pigsty in here, not gonna lie. And I'm hating this room at the moment. I hate when everything feels cluttered and unorganized and messy, and it just feels gross. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick fire of the books that I've kept for me. And I don't know anything about these books. I've heard of maybe like 5, but these are like all new books to me. So I don't know if any of these books are gonna be good or not, but you best believe I will be letting you know once I've read them. Queen's Gambit, The Wedding Party, Palace of Treason, Tracking North, Overcoming Distraction, Mistress, Woman of God, First Love, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, A Painted House, Play, The 12 Lives of Samuel Hawley, Broken Country, The Man in the Wall, The Godmothers, Out of the Ice, Gordon Ramsay's Playing with Fire, 2x2, The Great Escape from Woodlands Nursing Home, The Land of Painted Caves, The Shifting Fog, Call Me Evie, A Prisoner of Birth, Paths of Glory, The Messenger, Brave New World, The Help. I actually read this for my year 12 like English essay thing and loved it, so I'm so glad that this is in the pile. Family Baggage, Kitchen Confidential, Gypsy from Nowhere, Wings, The Girl on the Train, 7 Little Australians, Crazy for Love, Potsdam Station, A Promise at Bluebell Hill, Smuggler's Bay. It doesn't actually have anything on the cover, but it's one that has it on the spine, and I just think it's such a cool old book. Innkeeper's Daughter, City of Bones, a bunch of condensed books from Reader's Digest, another lot of books from Select Editions. Don't know, thought it could be interesting. Unbecoming, another collection of Reader's Digest books. You, I absolutely loved this series on Netflix. Take Control of Your Worry. The High Window. I really want to start my collection of Little Penguin books, and this is number 1. Great Expectations, The Orchid Thieves, Bridge of Clay, The Wildwood Sisters, Other Country, Ruin Beach, Bullo, The Next Generation, another lot of short stories by the Reader's Digest. Sunkissed, Fireprint, Send of the Sea, Final Approach, The Bobbsey Twins, Arulian? Not sure. Before I Die, The Opal Desert, Nothing Ventured, The Road Back, and Arcadia. I haven't even heard of half of these authors before, and I'm just so excited to hopefully find some new authors. But a lot of the ones in these stacks here, they're like murder and like murder mystery and like blood and guts and gore, and I'm just not into that. So they will be going up on my blind date with a book. They're all in really, really great condition. I don't actually think I would have put any up on Etsy before this video goes live, but I will leave the link down below once it's available, if that makes sense. I also started my little scrapbook collection, and I don't know if you can see, but they're all little hearts that I've like clipped out of these old books. And I think that would be so cute. Maybe for like wedding confetti, or like if you're hosting a book club or something and you want to like decorate the table. Imagine just like scattering all these little hearts everywhere. I'm just so excited. And then maybe I'll also offer like full pages of like vintage books, so you can put them in the back of your scrapbook. So you can put them as like borders or pages behind all your like scrapbook images. I don't know, I just think that would be so cool. But yeah, I cannot believe that I got all of these books for free. And thank you so much again for coming along for another weekly vlog, and I will see you next week. Bye.